Princess Project is a charity that's based here in Maidstone that supports mums, that maybe just need a little bit of extra help for whatever reason, and their families. We do a number of things to help support mums. One thing we do is we have the hub, which is where we are now today in town. So that's a really nice place for mums to be able to come and meet other mums and have a chat and be made a cup of tea. Sometimes us mums love somebody else to make us a cup of tea, so it's nice to be able to spoil them. And at the same time, we have Tot Cycle, which is our baby and toddler bank. So we have everything from little babies right up to 5-year-olds, books and toys and clothes and things like high chairs and prams, so that if a family needs some of that stuff, we can provide them with it. And if another family has finished using it, they can pass it on to us. So it's like an exchange. We help mums of all ages, no matter what their background is or what their story is. It might be that they have problems with their own health or their children's health. It might be that they don't have very much money. It might just be that they're really lonely and don't have anyone to stand alongside them and look after them. So we support mums, and of course also we support their children. One way that people can give is that we collect stuff for Tot Cycle. So when people have finished with their toys or their clothes, they've maybe grown out of them or finished playing with them, you can pass them on to Tot Cycle so that they can benefit another family who maybe don't have those things of their own at home. So that's one way that you can help. We also really like to give presents to mums, and so sometimes we collect really nice new things to give as presents, like toiletries and things like that. And also money. We always really appreciate any gifts of money, spare pennies that we can use to do the work that we do.